So how I start to motovlog? Maybe I should start by there. Okay, there's gonna be YouTube tips about how to motovlog. So now how I start to motovlog. Baron van Grumble is the one to blame. So I think it was December 2013 when my wife bought me for Christmas. She gave me a book, a motorcycle magazine. What's the name? Fast Bike. I was still in London. Fast Bike magazine. So I read Fast Bike, and I saw an interview of Baron van Grumble. I was like, who the fuck is that guy anyway? So I read the interview and I was like, okay, out of interest, I'll check on YouTube, who is he? And when I checked on YouTube, I was like, fuck man, that guy is good. So I watched all his video in like 2 days. I think it's like 50 videos. And then I told my wife the next day, I want to get a GoPro and I want to do the same as that guy, you know. So my plan actually to be, you know, something similar as Baron van Grumble. And then I quickly realized I wasn't good at that, right? At talking. But I have a few daily observations coming up. A few things happen on the road, so I say, okay, I'm going to keep all of them, make a daily observation. So I make my first daily observation, and I had a comment when I share it on Facebook. One guy posts, your video is shit. Oh god man, I remember that. I was feeling so bad. The first few videos, the first few comments that I have, they'd be like, your video is shit, don't even, you know, don't even try to motovlog. Just stop now. You know, you're not good. And well, they were not the greatest, but you know, that's the way I was doing them, you know. So anyway, I didn't listen to them, I just keep on doing my video. But that's how I start how to motovlog, you know. And then I just keep on doing daily observation. I think I put 180 video the first year. It would be like 3 or 4 times a week. I would just do video. And then I get better. Then something that I cut off, like, you know, sometimes you just, things that happen, you're like, okay, I already saw this one or this. So you just get better at editing also. When I first started motovlog, all the motovloggers were just like this, like the way I do it now. Turn the camera, say whatever you have to say, do everything, cut a little bit here, a little bit there, and then upload, share it. Me, this is the way I do it. I just turn the camera on, say whatever I want, and I know if I need to cut something or no, and at the end I just say keep, or keep and cut, so I know that I need to go back somewhere. Otherwise I just trim here and there, and then I just upload straight away. No really much editing, because you know it's the way I do it. But motovlogger back 4 or 5 years ago, that's how they do it before. Now you see all this cinematic shot, drone, everything changed, you know. Everyone changed, music and everything is getting much better now. I like to put music, but that's why I really enjoy doing daily observation, because I just have to put everything in one folder, put everything in the software, editing software, and I just cut, edit, do a thumbnail, subtitles sometimes, and then, you know, upload. That's it. That's how I start motovlog, you know. Now, how to be successful on YouTube also, you need to upload all the time. Upload I would say 3 times a week, or it all depends on how much time do you have. That's the thing. Some people can make video and upload every day. It's a lot of work, to be honest. I upload 4 times a week now, and that includes some old vlog. Then I actually how do you call this? Then I re-edit now some old vlog that I never shared, that I made when I came in the Philippines. So I upload this now, but usually 3 motovlog a week easily, you know. That include daily observation and some vlog that I do, like, you know, like this Subic trip, Angeles and Subic. I'm probably gonna end up with 7 video. I'm probably gonna put all of them. I probably edit it already now. Anyway, you already saw it. I'm gonna put all of them in 1 week, and we see how it goes. It's all about, you know, getting ahead also, because when I was in London, I actually had 20 daily observation on my hard drive, all edit, all ready to go, because I knew that at some point I would sell my bike and go to the Philippines. So I just started to get ahead. So like in a year and a half, I just put 20 video on the side, and that's a lot, I'm telling you. 20 video of 5 minutes each. And then when I crashed my bike, I crashed it a bit early actually. I think it was like I was hoping to get like 2 months without the bike maximum, and then actually get 5 months without no bike. So I had no content for 5 months, 20 video only. So I just started to. I was going to Iceland at that time also, before I crashed. So I take some Iceland daily observation and mix it up with my old observation to make it longer and better. Cut some of the thing and upload only once a week, and my channel just went down. I remember at that time it just went down. Like, nobody watched the video anymore. Subscriber count went down. Money, the little that I was doing, it just became nothing. And yeah, if you don't upload, your channel will die. That's the oh shit, that's the secret. You need to upload. If you upload 20 video a month, it's quite good. The channel would be, you know, I should have slowed down. But yeah, my channel went down. I think when I came to Manila, I was at minus 40 subscribers. I was losing 40 subscribers a month. I wasn't getting any subscribers. Everything was done. Then I came here, I just start to upload again, but it took me like 6 months before I actually get back on track to, you know, 100 plus subscribers a month. Now I think last month I make 1,000 subscribers, and then now I'm like 700 or something like that a month, which is good for me, you know. But the subscriber is subscriber, you know, they come and go. This is the key to success, guys. Keep uploading, keep recording everything until you have battery and things like that. Just keep recording, because every time something happens, something happen to you riding, for example. Now something happened, and then you just inspire, then you can make a vlog out of it, and then that's it. You got a 10-minute vlog. The best vlog are the one you don't plan, when you have no topic, and then you just start to do them like that. You know, that's the best vlog. That is really the one I enjoy doing. When something happens on the road, or you see something, or you just got an idea like that, and then you start to talk about it. That's the best vlog you can make. Okay, let's talk about camera. For me, I'm always gonna buy a GoPro. What I like with the GoPro is the audio is straight connected to the camera. You have an external audio, so you can plug the audio to it. It's very good, you know. Now, if you cannot afford it, just buy a normal decent camera like SG Cam, for example. They are doing much better now than when they start. Buy this and then use subtitle. You know, Royal Jordanian, Daily Rev Manila, start motovlog. They didn't have any audio. Now, yes, of course, some people have better motorcycle than you, faster motorcycle, better camera, etc., etc. You know, they have a drone, they have, you know, steady cam. gimbal. Yeah, of course. But it's all about to you how you turn situation and the way you tell the story when you do a vlog. If it's a vlog, it's the way you're saying things. You know, like that guy with the bag of rice. If you're good, you can say something funny about it, or you can write in a subtitle later. You know, if you do daily observation, you can do like that. That crab, you can make some joke with the crab. I don't know, it's just the way you are. Or like that bike into the fucking car. You can make everything. It's just the way you are. That's why, you know, some people. But that fucker who just doesn't know to ride. So it's just the way you are, you know, that make people coming back to you. You know, that make you want people to come back to watch more of your video and enjoy it, you know, and stay and watch the whole video. That's what you want. You don't want people to come and watch it 2 seconds and then or 1 minute and then go out of a 10-minute video. Get if you can afford it, get good camera quality. You know, GoPro. You can get a Hero 3, Hero. I wouldn't go Hero 2. Well, if you have only choice Hero 2, why not? Hero 3, Hero 4. I'm currently using a Hero 4 Black. I buy Hero 4 Black to get 4K, and at the end of it, I never use 4K. I actually tried to use it. I recorded 4K one day. My computer couldn't take 4K, so if you ask me now, I will buy a Hero 4 Silver. Doesn't do 4K, but it's fine. But the quality is there, you know. It's better than the Hero 3, a little bit better. I'm still have my Hero 3 Black. It's still working. Battery, get battery. I have a backpack battery on my camera, so it's like one normal battery plus 2 battery, so it's 3 battery together. It is very, very good. Now it's expensive. I actually get it when I bought my Hero 3 Silver. It was like extra for free, so it's really, really good actually. But buy a battery, you know, GoPro battery, you can get from 600 to 800 pesos. Just get a battery, you know, extra battery. Get 2 or 3. Doesn't cost much. Just buy 2 or 3, you know, online. I would avoid any aftermarket battery, because you don't really know whether, you know, if it's good or not for your camera. You can get those charger though, that's quite good, so you don't have, you can put 2 batteries together. You know, if you get aftermarket charger, then you put 2 batteries together, you can charge, and you don't need to charge your GoPro all the time. Like, you know, it's just the way you do it. You know, it's you mostly. It's not really the bike, or I'm sure if I do the same video riding a Honda Wave, people will still watch me because of the way I am, not really because my bike is a Raider 150. You know, I mean, yeah, it does. Obviously, it does a little bit count when you have, you know, a lot of subscribers. Is good when you have a big bike. When you make much more noise, that fucker just passed me by the right. Fuck you. How about that? But that's the Philippines. You see, that's the way it is. It does matter, you know, all those things does matter. Now he's gonna cut out that guy in the front. Gotta go. It does matter when you have a big bike, you know. But you know, it all depends the way you do it yourself. Get a good quality though. Try to get as good as you can afford it. That's what I would say. Thanks for watching.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my